screens glowing in the dark, where the real sharks make they mark. Monday through Friday grind, yeah. Deepcharts up on the main screen flicking. Orderflow patterns thick like the tension. Watching that delta spike like a heartbeat jumping. Big trades coming in, feel the money pumping. Volume profile, paint the picture clear. See where the weak hand shed a tear. Option flow, whisper secrets loud and true. This ain't no game, son, this what we do. From the hideout, encrypted feed, planting seeds, fulfilling every greed. Track the whales, see where they swimming before the herd even knows they're winning. Profile hideout, live streaming the heat. Monday to Friday, can't miss a beat. Deep charts tools, see the order flow bleed. Big trades calling, fulfilling the need. Delta screaming, volume, profiles deep. Options flow secrets, the promises I keep. From the shadow, watch the market weep. This ain't no playground, this game I read. Break down the levels, set the trap tight. See the imbalance bathed in the screen's light. Gamma exposure, yeah, we track that too. Know the pressure points before the move is through. Liquidity zones where the battles commence. We position early, building the defense. The check going wild, but the focus stay cold. Reading the tape, watching the story unfold. This ain't no hobby, this the street apply. Financial warfare, nowhere to hide. The stream is live, the knowledge is power. Watch the clock tick, minute by hour. Profile hideout, volume spikes, delta grows, options shift, deep charts low. The hideout hums.
Good morning, friends. Afternoon, midnight, wherever you are on this planet. It is Tuesday, and the market's about to open in about 15 minutes. Let's see what we got, huh? So news-wise, first PPI dropped. Do you think the numbers were worse, bad? Market's pushing up, so morning Miski, morning TK, morning Rescue Fee. So top of the hour we got some IMF World Eco Outlook, whatever that might be. I'm not too sure what this is. And then the usual war tweets. Regardless of all of that, from a weekly perspective, we opened up on the top side of last week's range. Used the POC as support. Currently pushed up above prior weekly high, pushing up, squeezing all the shorts, perhaps. I'm not too sure. It looks bullish. So regardless of what I think economical wise and war and stuff, if it goes up, right? Morning pace, Luca. We also might have a giveaway type of thing going on during the stream. Maybe. From our friends at Earn to Trade. Yeah, bullish on the profiles, bullish. Daily profiles, RTH, opening up with a gap. Currently trading at the 25,670s. Somewhat more of a 100-point gap. So opening price, once again, is going to be key. See what's going on. If we open up and we stay above the opening price, I'm not going to short this. Everything looks very bullish. Morning, NQ Orderflow. Just marking out the close of last session at 538. Opening price, midpoint of it. Red line is naked, untouched. Close of a session, so we had a session close up here Next one opens up, we gap down. We never revisited that level. So that's why I marked that out. And then see what's happening in the Gex worlds when the market opens up. We still got 12 minutes. Does look strong though. If we really keep pushing up, I basically should mark out the overnight high here. It's going to be a key level too if price were to so if you open up, price opens up strong bullish, definitely no shorting, potentially looking for longs. Retest still be looking good for longs to trade towards that data week high from PPI and then see what happens at the overnight high here. This could be a line in the sand. Do we continue? Do we fall back into range for a potential reversal? Not too keen on shorting this though, but that could be a play. And if we open up, we sell off immediately, there could be plays towards the closing price, the gap close, potentially towards the midpoint here, and or wait if price really sells off to get involved later. Use this midpoint with that red closing price and then scalp this move here. Because everything above prior range high is still super bullish. Market's really bullish. It's so weird with everything that's going on. Right? Oh, you can't see. Oh, you got a point there, sir. You got a point. I'm sorry about that. Want me to go over it again? So what I look for upon open, if this is the opening price, we're opening up with a gap to the upside, which is bullish. If you open up and you stay above the opening price, that's bullish. I don't want to short that, right? I might be looking for potential move towards that overnight high, that data week from PPI. I see what happens here. Do we reject or do we regain and use this as support? Or do we get back into, fail, and then trade back towards the low? I'm not too keen on shorting these levels though, but that could be a play. In general, just when the gap is to the upside and we're trading above the opening price, no shorts. Like that should be kind of a rule. And then vice versa, if price were to open up and we immediately sell off, potentially maybe for a move towards the midpoint here, the gap close and the price gap close. But everything above that opening price is still super, I mean, the prior range high is still super bullish. So this could be just a repair that gap and then go again. That could be a thing. I'll see what happens. Then obviously I need my Gex levels to 2. So I might just chill in the first 5 minutes, see what the market wants to do. No need to get too involved too quick, I think.
with it, these zones where the battles commence. We position early, build in the defense. The check going wild, but the focus stay cold. Reading the tape, watching the story unfold. This ain't no hobby, this the street apply. Financial warfare, nowhere to hide. The stream is live.
Let's see what close did.
Profile.Hideout. Volume spikes, delta grows, options shift, deep charts low.
This is bullish territory. Huh? All the big nodes could be used as resistance too, though, or support.
Monday to Friday, can't miss a beat. Deep charts tools, see the order flow bleed. Big
So on close, 25,300 was a big one. It's kind of a block here.
secrets, the promises I keep from the shadows. Watch them
So from this point of view, everything above this is kind of really bullish. This is like 400, 500, 600, 5. Yeah, I want a new data though, because we are already topside hitting 700 here. So yeah, we need the new data. Morning you, morning CJ, what's up? Where I'm from? I'm from Belgium, Europe. Where you from, man? Where's everybody from? So yeah, just waiting for that Gex data. Italy, nice. Colombia, nice. I know Georgia. Of course I know Georgia. Sicily, Italy. España. Buenos días, señor. Or it should be... Yeah, I forgot what afternoon was. I lived for a little while in Spain. Belarus. Damn, you close to the war, man. Damn. Buenas tardes. Yes, I remember. Buenas tardes. No hablas español. The more I drink beer, the more I speak Spanish, though. That's the thing. It's been a while, though. It's been a while. Más cervecitas, por favor, por favor. I just hope Gex comes through quickly with his levels so I can do this in the first minutes. Get like 2-3 minutes, 3 minutes left. Why is the market so bullish, huh? Kind of want this automated. I just want everything automated, closing price, and then when the market opens up, this pops up. I don't want to do that manually anymore. Just waiting for Deepcharts to release or for us to be able to create our own studies, indicators. That would make life easier. I'm putting my money on the fact that Rhythmic will shit a bit up on open. Yeah, 50 seconds left. All right, deep breaths, patience. Markets open. Straight to that overnight high. Rhythmic is keeping up. Nice. That's cool.
Connection lost.
Oh, there she goes. I was waiting for it. I have to look into that because that's not good. Oh, we got Gex data. Nice.
Connected.
Let's go. Let's go. Major wall, 25,500. Six, seven. So it's hitting a wall. 7, 8, 850. $850, 9. Jeez, that's really fucking bullish. This will very likely still change. Potentially was a continuation move towards that overnight high. Look at support here, it seems 700s. It's a bullish open, so we opened up. Why did this motherfucker change? So gap to the upside, opening price keeps trading up, so longs only should be the play here unless potentially we start failing. Not something I really want to do. I think I want to wait with the shorts when we start trading under opening price, potentially, maybe. All else longs only should. This is that PPI high. That was the area too long against, it seems, 700. I will do so when I see something clear. I do explain what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make sense. If price pulls back now, would it still make sense to go for the long? I think everything above 700 is strong. Like the Gex level is still flip-flopping here hard. Let's just get some bullish delta, huh? Bullish exposure, I should say. If you can regain those levels, it's off to the races for sure.
Monday morning, screens glow cold. NASDAQ opens, stories unfold. Orderflow, trust the truth they hold. Watching money rivers flow.
I like it, but I don't want to get involved. Top of the move here. Should have been in sooner. They're still pushing it up. It's gonna be looking really bullish once we start trading above 760 here. Kind of anticipating a move back to 700s. Want some more meat on the bone for the long. And then be very careful for rejection of the overnight high. Oof. Not too sure what to make of this. This is Pi. We had some huge calls selling here and buying puts. This is basically the opposite of what I'm seeing on my chart. Interesting. Basically swept the highs here on the overnight. Kind of wanted to be in the move before we swept. Still looks valid above 700 though. Trying to be patient here for something more obvious to pop up. Let's see what happens here. Big buyers trying to step in here. I don't want to be too aggressive with the short here. Everything is too bullish. Probably could be a nice play, but I should not do it. We'll taking control here. Question is, what's at 750? Yo, what? Bubbles are awesome. Bubbles are live. Especially these ones from Deepcharts. first 15-minute close. It's good, Minsky. What did you do yesterday? Too much drawdown? Hey, what's up? I'm Ronnie. Probably should have played the continuation play here, but
Connection lost.
Rhythmic, please come back, sir.
Connected.
A 600 is a big one too. Still be without long though. Kind of want somewhat lower though. Or above 750. It's not a fan of trade location here. Damn, 20 minutes in, no trades? What is going on?
Monday lights up the screen again. Numbers dance in the neon glow. Loading up the charts so fast. Watching where the big trades go. Gamma exposure flashing red. Orderflow like a tidal wave. GexBot hums its silent tune. While the profile tries to hide away. Deep in the charts we ride. Numbers burning bright. Monday comes, the game's alive. Big trades in the night.
Dude, again on the SPY, like huge. Selling of them calls. Just wish it would make sense in my head. Also, no more aggression.
Profile hides, the bot reloads. Deepcharts on their coded ode. Till the next week starts the show.
Looks strong though.
And we all know.
Until it isn't.
J like the letter, I'm making several waves. I know the mission is same. I made a splash, now all of my passes last like running a race with Usain. I keep it coming like this a buffet. And if I'm stumbling, I'm in the grave. Never gon' fumble it. I get the bag and I run with it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it. Murray with the legs, all about finesse. I am not impressed. I don't need a rest coming in with less, then you see the flash. Elohim with the melody and the kiss of the breath. 70, keep it heavenly, everybody get the bread. I got the bread and I got the juice. I got some dogs and I let them loose. saying the truth. We ain't the same, you ain't have a clue. I'm in the game and untouchable, cause I got the flame and this is the proof. Loading my toad, I still want all the smoke. We ain't talking about jokes, we just talking about more. I see all of my goals and it's looking like gold. I ain't asking for hope, cause I know that it's show. Now you seeing me blow. This is premeditated, I've been underrated, that's an understatement. I ain't coming later, the abundance came when I allow my bosom to the loving greater. He the one who made it, so I'm in my bag.
What are you trying to do, NASDAQ?
Raise the price tag, chasing down all of these ghosts till I grab. Who could really stop me is what I ask. Homie, you can never get your time back. Only me and my reflection fight back. Why this beat gon' probably need an ice pack. Just like the 26, I'm finna run with it. I ain't gon' punt, we ain't taking it knee. I keep the starters and we going farther like T.O. and Philly, we throwing it deep. This only possible through all the obstacles. I went ahead and I found me some peace. It's why my reflection is rocking the cheese. J like the letter, I'm making several waves. I know the mission is same. I made a splash, now all of my passes last like running a race with Usain. I keep it coming like this is buffet. And if I'm stumbling, I'm in the grave. Never gon' fumble it. I get the bag and I run with it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it. Murray with the legs, all about finesse. I am not impressed. I don't need a rest, coming in with less than you see the flags. Elohim with the melody, and then he supply the breath. 70, keep it.
Bubbles.
I'm not impressed with none of the stage. Told her myself if it's up to me. Top of the list, I'm running the league, don't run into me. We not the same, the homie compete. I'm in the game, I'm pulling from deep. Lugging a loaf, this is heavily. Another loaf, I've been burning toast. Let them tell it, I done done the most. I'm jumping, hopping, skipping.
I'm just not a fan again of straight location. Alright, let's sit out and wait for something where I really want to put on risk. Could play it really tight, but the likelihood of getting stopped out is very big too.
I'm making several waves. I know the mission is same. I made a splash, now all of my passes last like running a race with Usain. I keep it coming like this is buffet. And if I'm stumbling, I'm in the grave. Never gon' fumble it. I get the bag and I run with it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it. Murray with the legs, all about finesse. I am not impressed.
60. 60, buddy. 60. Yeah, 60. Kind of want to avoid doing business in this range, I think. Maybe up, above, or below here. I think there is somewhat short pressure though. Like this pie is freaking super bearish order flow. I'm not sure. Like look at the selling of the calls, huge. And then the buying of the puts. So there's somewhat bearish order flow though. I'm trying to be late with the short. Make it prove to me that we are failing. It's also like 30-minute IB. $600s, yeah. 600 is the big level. It's what's the gap close? I mean, no, that's not the gap close. That's the halfway gap. Big wall, a naked close from a session in the past. And at the same time, this thing is strong too. So I'm trying to be later. Like under 700, it's still 50 points towards the opening price. Into the gap close, still a lot of meat on the bone. So being late, it's not that bad, I think. Yeah, I'm looking for 700. So from a profile perspective, on the 15-minute opening range, you could say, I'm looking for bounces at the value area high because we confirmed above at the value area high in the POC. So this basically for me is the last line of defense. It's just in the middle of nowhere for me. Like here, it was too close against that level. I wanted to see it above, long above. Here, it's in the middle of it. Do I really believe in the continuation that much? No. That's why I'm staying away from it. The Gex, what do you know? Gex. There's a lot to talk about Gex though. I just use them as support and resistance, like the green, the positive gamma. You should use, or I should use as resistance, and the red one as support. The thing just is when price is in that positive gamma, and it could use it as support, and then this is just a training environment, right? So that's basically what was going on, or is going on here. That's why I think price is strong. At the same time, I got vibes for potentially back to the range lows here. It's just not clear, so I'm trying to stay away from. If I would be pushing buttons here, that's definitely going to be like a B trade at this point. The obvious moves are gone. Just the overnight high with that PPI and such. This move made this entry here, that should have been the one. Now I'm just waiting for price to confirm up or down, basically. Or sweep and regain and go along again. Just waiting for price to tell me what he wants to do. And then gamma wise, this is positive gamma. It's a really rough read for me. Like I haven't been using this for too long, but this is basically, you want to see the positive gamma used as support and it's using it as resistance. So don't think that's going to be looking too good. I just like to look at the normal Gex, see where the interest lies. So at this point, 740, 760 is resistance. It's basically where we rejected from at the top. And at the same time, the spies here are just continually like sell off, grinding lower, puts being bought. I don't think this is bullish order flow. This is the opposite. It's bearish order flow. We are hitting some major tops, I feel, also price action wise. Option flow. Yeah, so the thing I just put on, right? This is the options flow of the SPY. Don't really use it at this point. This confuses me more than anything else at this point because price is that bullish and that order flow is bearish. Maybe that's a little sign that price is hitting some major tops and people are taking profits or repositioning. Do we see in later? I just don't try to focus too much on that. I'd rather use my level set by the Gex and then use the profile here to see what's going on currently to somewhat confirm what I'm trying to do. This shit is somewhat consolidating too at the moment, creating a high, a low, unable to trade above, unable to trade below. I just don't have the biggest bias at this point for putting the risk on here. That price would go back to the here, back above, on top. Just trying to wait for something that stands out more. This is a long play, still makes sense from this profile, this opening range. And then the target would be on top here. I just don't feel it. I'm not feeling it. There's enough meat on the bone for me to trade if price gets out of that 750, 700 range. Looks like it went back towards 760s.
Pre-market scan, I'm locked in the zone. Levels get drawn while the weak stay at home. Orderflow speaks in the language I know. Deepcharts whisper where the big money.
Connection lost.
I read between the lines. GexBot humming, catching all the signs. No FOMO plays. I just wait my turn while these rookies burn. Watch the candles churn. I don't chase trades. I let the setup come. NASDAQ futures like a loaded gun. Live on YouTube.
Come on back to me, Rhythmic.
Connected.
Dom shows the pain, I can smell the greed. Give my exposure like a chessboard game. Checkmate moves when the VIX goes insane. Tick tock, market clock never lies. Bit ass spread, tell me who's gonna die. No second guesses when the tape don't lie.
Like volume is low. Like normally I should have way more bubbles, especially in the first 40 minutes. It's like nothing here, just one here, nothing here. The long was the play, huh? Can I get something to play off NASDAQ? It's gonna rip it, huh? Kind of was looking here at the 750s for continuation, but just no aggression. Getting absorbed on top. I'm really not a fan of shorting it, but I'm keeping the option open if I see something pop up. So potential absorption at a current candle. Long still makes more sense. Just not seeing the delta confirmation that I want to see. Huge buying all of a sudden. Where is my financial juice? Trump is trumping again. Yeah, I'm missing all the volume. I don't really want to lower my bubbles though. Kind of want to just leave it as it is.
Mic check 1 2. Streaming live from the hidden booth.
Damn man, like 45 minutes and no trades, bro.
Where the real sharks
Could have been way more aggressive, just long 750s.
Friday grind. Yeah. Deep charts up on the main screen flicking. Orderflow pattern stick like the tension. Watch
That's a thing. That's a thing.
jumping big trades coming in. Feel the money pumping. Volume pro
Probably would have if I saw some activity here,
weak handshake.
which there wasn't, at least on my settings.
This ain't no game, son. It's what we do. From the hideout. Encrypted feed, planting seeds. Fulfilling every greed. Track the webs. See where they swimming before the herd even knows they're winning. Profile hideout. Live streaming the heat. Monday to Friday. Can't miss a beat. Deep charts tools. See the order flow bleed. Big trades calling. Fulfilling the need. Delta screaming. Volume. Profiles deep. Options flow secrets. The promises I keep. From the shadow. Watch the market weep. This ain't no playground. This game I read. Break down the levels. Set the trap tight. See the imbalance bathed in the screen's light. Gamma exposure. Yeah, we track that too. Know the pressure points before the move is through. Liquidity zones where the battles commence. We position early, building the defense. The check going wild, but the focus stay cold. Reading the tape, watching the story unfold. This ain't no hobby, this the street apply. Financial warfare, nowhere to hide. The stream is live, the knowledge is power. Watch the clock tick, minute by hour. Profile hideout, volume spikes, delta grows, options shift, deep charts love. The hideout hums, where the real money goes. Profile hideout, live
That's a lot of business.
Monday to Friday, can't miss a beat. Deep charts tools, see the order flow bleed. Big trades calling, fulfilling the need. Delta screaming, volume profiles deep. Option flow secrets, the promises I keep. From the shadows, watch the market weep. This ain't no playground, this game I read. Profile hideout, Friday sign off, stream cuts to black. Stack the gains, ain't looking back. Hideout secure, tools locked down tight. See y'all Monday for the next big fight. Mic drop, silence. The screens fade to gray. Another week conquered. Another payday.
Two different levels, I cannot relate. You never win if you playing it safe. It's all a game until you get played. You speaking so loud with nothing to say. I'm betting it all on me. And they said they ride for me. And they talk so bad on me. I know there's no friends in this business. That's why I keep my family close. Put in work and secure the bag and then take it back to my foes.
It's been a cold, cold summer. Ice in my veins, but you know I'm about to warm up. Yeah, it's been a cold, cold summer. Ice in my veins, but you know I'm about to warm up.
Time will only tell. You can try me if you want. Life can get real crazy. You can try me if you want. We gon' find out soon. We gon' find out soon. We gon' find out soon.
Trade location wise, just get worse for me to go along. Bro. That's a lot of business, a lot of absorption on top there.
Pre-market whispers, screens glowing gap down, watch the pressure grow. Fingers hover cold over keys that seal the fate. Will the gap hold steady or seal the bulls late? Negative gamma lurks, a phantom in the code. Algorithms whisper, heavy silent low. The open bells a gunshot, echoes through the pit. Who blinks first?
Kind of want to see 60s holds.
Gap down on the open futures bleeding red. Will they trap us in the hole? Lead the gamma dead or the bulls gon' rally, push the price back high. Close the gap, make a play, touch a bleeding sky. This game's a chess match, play with bullets in the dark. One wrong move, marking call, these a final mark. Gap down on the open, futures bleeding red. Level who's a battlefield, order ship like sand. Bears pressing hard, trying to crush the promised land. Candle wicks like blood trails, pain and fear and doubt. Every tick a heartbeat, trying to find a way out. Sweat on the brow, the tension cuts the air. Watching gamma flip, beyond the charts and where the algos start to panic or the humans take control. It's negative pressure, digging deep into the soul. Gap down on the open futures bleeding red. Will they trap us in the hole? Lead the gamma dead or the bulls gon' rally, push the price back high. Close the gap, make a play, touch a bleeding sky. This game's a chess match, play with bullets in the dark. One wrong move, margin call, leaves a final mark. Gap down on the open, futures bleeding red. The clock keeps ticking, pressure builds insane. With a support crack wire, watch the whole thing down the drain. Or a hidden bit steps up a giant in the smoke. Gamma flips the green light before the final stroke. Margin call screams silent on 1,000 flashing screens. Trading dreams hanging on the razor's edge it seems. Gap down on the open futures bleeding red. Will they trap us in the hole? Lead a gamma dead or the bulls gon' rally, push the price back high. Close a gap, make a play, touch a bleeding sky.
Just looking for a potential move towards 800s here. Just
Futures bleeding red. Screens flicker low. Gamma's holding tight or breaking. The bell tolls the whole deep or the gaps forsaken. Red number bleeding slow or green light flashing. The game plays, the game plays, the game plays on.
am I trying to be too careful? That's the question. It's definitely true. This one was basically, this was more of a C setup, but the continuation was there. Just not seeing the things I want to see to get long. Yeah, I'm just trying to do the same thing over and over again. It's not because the things are like there's multiple ways to enter, multiple confirmations, the more the better. It's just when I'm not seeing it, there's no need to create things. Or start doing things differently because it's not on my screen. Right? So let's see what's going on in the Gex world. Like 26,000, is that really what you're gonna do? Is that really what you're gonna do? 9, 850, 8. It's a crazy rally though. Like 850. That's where the negative gamma is. Basically do something like this. So that level basically confirmed the long, but I still want to see more, maybe too much. A lot of business being done here. Also, make sure. Where we at? Oh yeah, we're at 19. Yeah, make sure you push that like button so we can do that TCP giveaway sooner than later.
Screens bleed red, NASDAQ flatlining. Negative gammas got the hours winding. No biz left, just stepping need the flow.
Time. IB's about to close in 3 minutes too.
Attention sticking mean. Watching support levels get picked clean. No positive gamma insight, no lifeline thrown. Just trap money crying all alone. When will she find a bottom? When's a bounce? Negative gammas got us counting down. Trump tweets nonsense. Price jumps like a ghost, but it's all phantom gains. What we need most is a real damn bounce. Some solid ground to stand. But this negative gamma's got the whole thing down. When will she find a bottom? Tell me when. Right now it's just free fall again. Yeah. Headlines flash, another lie takes flight. Momentary blip in the dead of night. Price jerks up where the cruel hollow tease, then plunges deeper, brings us to our knees. No gamma to catch and no cushion, no spring, just gravity winning at everything. The machines keep short and the pressure won't cease. Praying for gamma, begging for peace. When will she find a bottom? When's a bounce? Negative gamma's got us counting down. Trump tweets nonsense. Price jumps like a ghost, but it's all phantom gains. What we need most is a real damn bounce. Some solid ground to stand.
Should have been more aggressive at the 750s. That was the play.
Right now it's just free fall again. The veins bleed and the charms turn sour. Tick after tick, losing power by the hour. No bid stacking, no calls getting barred. Just a slow motion crash. The lesson hard taught. Where's the positive flow? Where's the relief? This negative gamma's amplifying the grief. A bottomless pit, a terminal phase, staring into the abyss, lost in the haze. When will she find a bottom? Where's a bounce? Negative gamma's got us counting down. Trump tweets nonsense. Price jumps like a ghost, but it's all phantom gains. What we need most is a real damn bounce. Some solid ground to stand. But this negative gamma's got the whole thing down. When will she find a bottom? Tell me when. shot. She pull out with a friend and I'm on it like a red dot. I got my sights on a headshot. Yeah, say she got a man, let her leg drop. Both sides, switched up out of blue, yeah, she played both sides. Club from door to door, tryna change her life. Nah, it's stupid.
Is this just gonna keep pushing? $750, man. That was the freaking play. So hourly IB closed. Let's see what happens. Definitely not a fan of longing against these levels here. Probably should. What do you mean, sir? Well, I wish I had taken some more trades. As I said, like I was after this was like consolidating. I wanted to do something like that, right? And then the move presents itself. There was just no volume here, like on my settings. I should have been more aggressive. I was waiting for too much to happen, and then 0.2 seconds later, you are chasing that trade. So that's also something I don't want to do. Chase it. If I wasn't streaming, I probably would have been more aggressive though. Streaming makes you more accountable, if that makes sense. Should have been done already though. For sure. Patience. Oh yeah. Well, you learn that. I mean, after that many years, it doesn't make sense to do certain things anymore. Again here, do you long against that level of probably grinds up 850s though. There she goes. Yeah, sure. It is. There's also this like the tool on the right. It's like a VSA, volume split analysis, that basically shows perfectly that there is no aggression to the upside. That there is aggression to the upside, but not how it normally is. It's kind of what I want to see too. That's a nice confirmation. The volume split analysis one.
Pre-market whispers, screen glowing low, as the futures gap down, watch the pressure grow. Fingers of a cold, over keys is still the fade. Will the gap hold steady, it's still the bulls late. Negative gamma lurks, a phantom in the cold. Algorithms whisper a heavy silent load. The open bell's a gunshot, echoes through the pit. Who blinks first loses, gotta make the play legit. Got down on the open, futures bleeding red, will they trap us in a hole? Leader gamma dead, or the bulls gon' rally.
Yeah, 40 range.
Close the gap, make a play, touch the bleed in the sky. This game's a chess match, play with bullets in the dark. One wrong move, margin call, leaves a final mark. Gap down on the open, futures bleeding red. Level 2's a battlefield, or the shift like sand. Best pressing hard, trying to crush the promised land. Candle wicks like blood trails, painting fear and doubt. Every ticker
Yeah, from the Gex profile, it looks like it wants to grind towards 850s
watching gamma flip, be on the
at this point.
I go start to panic, or the humans take control. This negative pressure digging deep into the soul. Got down on the open, futures bleeding red, will they trap us in a hole? Leader gamma dead, or the bulls gon' rally. Push the price back high, close the gap, make a play, touch the bleed in sky. This game's a chess match, play with bullets in the dark. One wrong move, margin call, leaves a final mark. Gap down on the open, futures bleeding red.
We must be squeezing super hard too.
Keeps ticking, pressure bills insane. With a support crack, why wash the whole thing down the drain? Or a hidden bit steps up a giant in the smoke. Gamma flips the green light before the final stroke. Margin call, scream silent on 1,000 flashing screens. Trading dreams, hanging on the razor's edge, it seems.
Yeah, above 750 basically was
Got down on the open, futures bleeding
really poor structure towards 26,100. That gonna be single prints on a weekly profile from beginning of February.
Grab green splicker, gamma's holding title, breaking. The bell tolls the whole deep, or the gaps forsaken. Red numbers bleeding slow, green light flashing. The game plays, the game plays, the game plays on.
Potential exhaustion. Is it really gonna make me short? That's the question. Basically confirmed above the hourly IB. So retraces towards value high. PLC would still be very valid bounces. So unless that starts failing, should be looking for longs. Although it looks good here. At the same time, for short, I definitely want to see a push up with absorption, potentially a nice wick to put the stop above. Of course, short. Looks like she's not gonna. All right, while we wait for a setup, make sure you push that like button so we can go for the giveaway. 25K TCP, perhaps, maybe someone. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm gonna go against my instinct because everything's that strong, so I want to keep it long and strong. Although I was looking for a short right here. I should not be looking for shorts. I could also play it really tight. Am I long in the top of the market? That's the question. It feels like it. Should have gone short, huh? Kind of wanted to get out there. Just, I like the short setup, but I don't want to fight the strength. Yeah, very likely to get a stop here. Don't get absorbed. get out. I'll take it. Not a fan of what I'm seeing because I was looking for that potential short, and everything order flow wise is just turning against me here. Just want to get out then. First trade of the day, long in the top of the day. Was I too soon with my... Seems like it, huh? Give me a spike up. Zero confirmation. Kind of want to be wrong very quick here. Again, zero confirmation here, anticipating this to be exhaustion. And that's why you don't short against the strength. Should have at least waited for some delta confirmation.
Screens bleed red, NASDAQ's flatlining. Negative cameras got the algos whining. No biz left, just ebony.
Gotta start trading under 800s here.
Leaves us wanting more.
Rather sooner than later.
Attention sticking mean. Watching support levels get picked clean. No
Just using it as support. It's not good for me.
trap, money crying all alone. When will she find a bottom? When's the bounce? Negative gammas got us counting down. Trump tweets nonsense, price jumps like a ghost. But it's all phantom games, what we need most. fall again. Headlines flash, another lot takes flight. A momentary blip in the dead of night. Price jerks up with a cruel hollow tease, then plunges deeper, brings us to our knees. No gamma to catch it, no cushion, no spring. Just gravity winning at everything. The machines keep short and the pressure won't cease. Praying for gamma, begging for peace. When will she find a bottom? When's the bound? Negative gamma's got us counting down. Trump tweets nonsense, price jumps like a ghost, but it's all phantom gains. What we need most is a real damn bounce, some solid ground to stand. But this negative gamma's got the whole.
Where's the big bubbles though?
Find a bottom, tell me when. Cause right now it's just free fall again. The fan is bleeding, the charms turn sour. Tick after tick, losing power by the hour. No bids stacking, no calls, getting bought. Just a slow motion crash, the lesson. Hard talk, where's the positive flow? Where's the relief? This negative gamma's amplifying the grief. A bottomless pit, a terminal face, staring into the abyss, lost in the hate. When will she find a bottom? When's the bounce? Negative gamma's got us counting down. Trump tweets nonsense, price jumps like a ghost, but it's all phantom gains. What we need most is a real damn bounce, some solid ground to stand. But this negative gamma's got the whole thing down. When will she find a bottom?
Probably should have gone break even on this.
Right now it's just free fall.
Buyer stepping in on the bottom there. You want to see them get absorbed. Price is strong. This has to go ASAP through that bubble or it's not looking good. Should have been out there. I should have been out. Once that bubble popped, that was the information I had to. I mean, my drawdown is contained here, like just. All right. Market is strong. Just not trading this properly right now. Maybe forcing it right here. Should have been aggressive earlier though. Might be it for me today. Not feeling it, and that's all right. All right, we need at least 25 likes for the TCP 25K to give it away. I think we need like 4 more, if I'm not wrong. I think this one's 26,000. Jesus. Three more likes. We got 22. We need 25. Market, can you come back down? Come on, guys. 3 more likes. TCP 25K giveaway from Earn the Trade. 3 more likes. We need 25 likes. Come on, you can do it.
Pre-market whispers, screens glowing low. NASDAQ futures gap down, watch the pressure grow. Fingers over cold, over keys that seal the fate. Will the gap hold steady or seal the bulls late? Negative gamma.
In the meantime, NASDAQ has the opportunity to pull back towards the 800s. I don't like the freaking absorption though. This one I really should have protected when I saw the big bubble. It's one of the signs I should stop trading because I didn't do what I needed to do here. Should have been break even. Even though it was even only 6 points stop. Alright, 28 likes. Nice. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let me see. All right, so I got so everyone in chat, you want to be part of the giveaway, type in this word into the chat TCP to enter the competition. Nice, it's working. Let's fucking go. TCP is what you need to type into chat to enter the giveaway. Why do I got the feeling I'm trying to freaking long the top of the day? And someone explain this to me. NASDAQ, come on, man. Don't do this to me. Only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 entries so far. TCP, if you want to be part of the giveaway, it's going to be up there for a few minutes, not that long. I mean, how many people do we got in chat? Like 35? 38? There's only 7 people typing TCP. Nice. Kinda want to go long NASDAQ, but Jesus, what are you doing to me? There we go. There we go. 8 entries so far. Dude, the absorption on top, I got like top of the day vibes too at the same time. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, TCP, we only got like 8 participants, which is interesting. Come on, man, give me some aggression, please. The close below is really not good. Oh man, I'm fighting the market here today. What a rejection, huh? Oh, again, I want to get out of my position. I'm really done for today. I'm just not feeling it. There should be some aggression here. Damn, that candle was top of the hour too. Definitely losing focus. Rejecting. This thing is consolidating too. Oh, look at it. I want to get out. Lower that candle I'm giving. I mean, it makes sense though after that move up. Like, shit ton of absorption on top. There's just nothing to manage. There's no big bubbles. There's no big bubble to add. There's no big bubble to trail. There's just zero information. And that's probably a reason why I should not be pushing a button right here. It's going to be the first losing day on this account, which is fine. Definitely should have been more pushing buttons earlier. Doesn't make sense to start pushing buttons right now. Big seller stepping in, boom, stopped out. Probably done for the day. I do have more to play, but I feel like I'm forcing it here. Like I'm definitely not on the right side here. My green bubbles, sir. Well done, I guess. All right, we got 8 participants. Someone's gonna get really lucky, I think. There's 36 people watching and only, I mean, it's all good. It's all good. You got 30 seconds to push in this keyword to enter the giveaway. You got 30 seconds left. Oh, man. If I would have done here, what I would have done here. Oh, buddy. That's the wrong keyword, sir. That's the right one. All right, we got 10 participants. I've been waiting long enough. I'm about to hit the draw winner button. 5, 4, 3, too late. All right, we got a winner. Is he here to claim it, though? That's the question.
Connection lost.
Man has 70 seconds. Hybrid athlete over 40. Does that mean you're smoking and running at the same time? Or is that... All right. What you got to do to prove me that you are the right person, like on the... Wait, I'll show it. I'll show it.
Connected.
Like this, like on the top right side of your YouTube's browser, there's like your avatar icon. Click it, snip it like this, and then go into the Discord from you, like the Profile Hideout Discord. There's a channel named Earn to Trade Giveaways. Post it in there, and then we'll go from there. I'm not sure if you're familiar with. So the one we were giving away was the TCP 25K. So you're starting out in evaluation 25K. You're basically trading a 1-to-1, which is nice. This is definitely micro account. You could do minis, but you're gonna be out real quick too. And you can upgrade this account. So once you get this one funded, you'll go to a 25K funded account. You can choose to go live sim, live accounts, I'm sorry, to go straight live, or live sim accounts, which is then still live sim. But this one is capped at 5K, I think. But nonetheless, once you hit the next goal, for example, if you're in a 25K one and you hit your goal here, the 1,500, you'll be upgraded to a 50K account. Again, you hit the goal, you'll upgrade towards a $100,000 account. You hit this goal, you'll upgrade towards the big boy here, right? So that's a cool thing to do, I think. Unbelievable that I freaking go long. And I also just should have held on to it too, but I really didn't like the rejection here. And overall, the ID kind of seemed to be working out. I'm just on the wrong end of it. It's all good. It's all good. And then still from an hourly perspective, hourly IB, this is the still valid continuation play along. Definitely want to see Bubbles to do so though here. Do like it though. Can we see some confirmation you want to go back up? Is there something to confirm their support? Like again, where's the freaking... Where's the aggression here? I mean, I'm a little bit flabbergasted today, dude. Let's see if she presents anything. Could drop it lower though. Oh, really? Right, so from an hourly IB perspective, still way too early to celebrate here, but you want to see continuation from here. I want to see some aggression too. I'm also a little bit out of position. My long should have been closer towards the 80s here, 780s. Definitely lost here today. I kind of want to see something to confirm for me to trail at all, buying or selling. Don't like it, don't like it. Especially I want to see a trade above that level. Still rejecting that level means continuation. At the same time, it's still so strong. It shouldn't be looking for those shorts. Like everyone and their grandma are probably shorting this shit. Like I'll be happy to be in that move. Still waiting for some bubbles here. Push. This could be a valid place to go break even though, yeah. Do the destroy all the people that went short. That's the main goal here. And get back above 800 at first, please. Please. Oh, that was the deep effort zone too. Yeah, I kind of don't like to play. I like to play it closer, but very valid, sir. Good eye. I didn't even see. It's a good sign for me to stop trading for the day. But first, let's make money. I want to see bubbles. Bubbles to confirm aggression. Aggression to base my stop loss from. So I even lower towards 50. The bubbles are at 50. They should be more there. Not sure why I didn't do that. Did that earlier though. Big level here, 800s, big level. Could have taken some profits. Give me some bubbles, dude. I'll even add to it if you want to. If you just show me the magic. Show me the magical bubbles. I just want to wait for things to do until they are there. That's what I should do. Really. Little push up. Like 800 is a big level here. I'm just taking something in case that she freaking reverse from this and puts me at break even though this was just 10 points on a mini, $200. Stop is fairly tight, but still in a valid place. Overall, looking for a move from that volume profile. This is the hourly IB. Price closes above, confirms bullish. Then these zones become entries for me, like the value area high, the POC. And then look for confluence in delta and gamma if possible. Still no big bubbles. It's crazy. Still no big bubbles. Let's go and make some money. Let's go and make some money. I'll be out before it hits 850 though, but I want to see big bubbles to chill. I'll be happy to chill myself out right here if there's a bubble. I'm just having patience. Feel like I listen to these songs like let's go NASDAQ, let's do it. Give me the big bubbles. We're gonna get big bubbles around here. Shit. Continuation. Continue. Keep on pushing, yo. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't do it.
palm shows the pain. I can smell the greed. Get my exposure like a chessboard game. Checkmate moves when the VIX goes insane. Tick tock, market clock never lies.
Yo, my what?
Tell me who's gonna die.
Price just went through my stop and nothing happened. What?
Left behind. I don't chase trades. I let the setup come. NASDAQ futures like
Go NASDAQ. Make my freaking day.
money moves silent when the trap gets sprung. String goes
Lost through it.
morning calls, bet I'm back on it.
There's no reason to stop. I only have a level at 850s.
Don't lie, I just follow the script.
Yeah, 850s. 850s is the target. Come on, you. Squeeze him. One. Lost. Push. Nope. Yes? Oh, there we go. What the fuck is this shit? Sar's trying to step in. You want to go ASAP right now? Nope. Well, I'm happy with that. Jesus, what a day, dude. I definitely made things way harder than it should have been today. And still looks good, huh? This is basically the stop should have been break even, wait for a push down, wait for the absorption from the sellers, where this means these sellers are getting absorbed and there's participants buying the shit up right here. This would have been probably a better stop for my stop. Then for continuation up, but I'm good. Lunchtime is approaching. I got on my hole. I should have not been in the hole. But we made a solid 285 on the account today. Let's make sure we don't trade anymore. Pause for the remainder of the session. Boom, locked out until tomorrow. Still looks good, huh? God damn it. Yeah, I wanted my P&L back, boy. This would have been the perfect drill. Can we get to 850s? That's the question. Very, very likely though. There's not much holding it back. I think even 26,000 at this point. This is I think if I'm not wrong, it's 800s. 850s next is here. 900s and 26,000. Level by level works, man. Simple as this. It's just the market got really choppy around this level. Really, this one was the obvious one I should have taken, which I didn't do. Like even on a 50, setting 50 on the big bubbles. I mean, we're kind of rejecting this one, so could have used that as support. Entry here, stop below here. So yeah, maybe the setting was too high for today. Geez, the move. All good. I've been streaming for like 2 hours and 15 minutes. We did a giveaway, more giveaway to do, and still, like I got one more remaining. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Thursday, maybe Friday. We'll see. I think I'm gonna leave it at here. I'm tired. I need some food. Stretch my legs. Come back tomorrow. Do it all over again. Right? So that's it. Oh man, you're late. That's really late, dude. We did the giveaway. We did it. Yeah, I'll see everyone tomorrow. Later. Peace.